2.
Welcome back, everyone, to another YouTube channel. Just so you don't know, my name is Nick, also known as Nicholas the Parkway Bowler, and today we're going to be talking about the different types of bowlers, so without further ado, let's get started. So the first part is we're going to be talking about the mainstream. Those are going to be what you see, or those are going to be the common types of the different types of bowlers. So, a stroker, its key feature has a low backswing and a smooth release, which means that its ball motion is a straighter line, smaller hook, or you can call it down and in. Its philosophy, accuracy over power, and relies on hitting the mark perfectly every time. It's like it's consistent. Crinker, is the power player on the spot, and it's known for its high backswing, cupped wrist, and a violent release. It generates massive revolution rates, creating a large sweeping hook that crosses many boards, visually exciting but physically demanding. The next one is the tweener, which is in between a stroker and a cranker. It combines the accuracy, however, of a stroker with some of the power of a cranker, which we have talked about in a couple of slides. Rev rates and ball speeds are moderate for this type of bowler, and this arguably is the most versatile style, being able to adapt to various oil conditions effectively. Now this one is probably the most common. Those are the two-handed bowlers, and is popularized by Jason Belmonte. And by using two hands to support the weight, the bowler can keep the wrist fully cupped through swing, generating maximum RPMs, also known as revolutions per minute, and pin carrying power. Street bowler. This is often when everyone starts as a beginner. This ball rolls end over end with zero side rotation. The pro is the easiest to learn and replicate. Another pro, it is essential for picking up spares, especially on corner pins. But the problem, however, is of its lack of entry angle, creating difficult strike carrying. The second part we're going to cover is the unconventional types. So the first one of those is the spinner, also known as the UFO, and is popularized by the Asian sensation, which is highly popular in Taiwan and parts of Asia. And the ball spins like a top on a vertical axis. Think of physics. The vertical spin causes the ball to deflect pins sideways and low, creating a domino effect. The advantage is it works especially well with lighter balls, 10 to 12 pounds, on varied oil conditions. Disadvantage, however, is less carry power on heavy pins compared to hook balls. The backup bowler, his job is to reverse the hook. For example, if this bowler is a righty and he hooks to the left, that is a backup bowler. Okay. Also, this is another common one. The thumbless bowlers one-handed, just like the two-handed in the cranker bowlers, it generates more rev rates. And also, we have the full roller, also known as the old school track, which is defined by the oil track on the ball. The track rolls between the thumbs and finger holes, which is splitting the grip. His mechanics often caused by a suitcase grip, thumb existing at 9 o'clock. It has a modern game, rare today because modern reactive balls flare better with a 3/4 roller track, but still effective on dry lanes. The last part that we're going to cover is the balance, speed versus revolution dominance. Speed dominant, pretty simple. Speed over rev. Rev dominant bowlers, that's also pretty simple. Revs versus speed. So, looking at the table, Stroker's rev rate is pretty low. Speed is balanced. His primary benefit is accuracy. Rev dominant rev rate is high. Speed is low. His focus is area and carry. Speed dominant bowler, rev rate is low. His speed is high. And his job is about length and control. Cranker's job, rev rate is high. The high balanced speed, his primary benefit is max power / hook. So, if you want to find your game, find what type of comfort that suits you best. Like, choose a style that fits you for every game. Find region. Styles like the spinner are dominant in Asia due to the lane conditions and lighter pins. And focus on your goals, right? These are really important, and those are especially for high scoring on modern oil patterns. Two-handed or tweener styles are currently dominant. My question for you is, what style defines you? Also, one reminder, we have 8 subscribers. Our goal is to reach 100, and I won't make a video of my secret hook to hooking the ball until we reach 100 subscribers. So like and subscribe for the newest updates and videos coming out every week.